What up, guys? How you guys doing today? So right now I'm in my kitchen and I decided to make a YouTube video and put this down just a little bit, and the little feet you hear is my dog running back and forth. Sorry. And I decided to make a video about my Rubik's Cubes. Yes, this is a different type of Rubik's Cube. As you can tell, it's a shapeshifter. It shapeshifts. So I'm going to actually mess this up with you guys. I have no idea about anything where this is going to be. I'm not really paying attention where I'm doing it. So, yeah. It's all mixed up, as you can tell, with the shapeshift. Put this down for a second. I decided to show you guys how fast I can, solve 7 Rubik's Cubes. I got 2 2x2s, and I got 4 3x3s. And I have a 3x3 that is a shapeshifter. So I think what I'm going to do is I have all my cubes right here, and I got this one over here. I think I'm going to do this one first because this one's going to take me the longest. And I'm going to have my other phone right here, showing me, the time. Turn the phone on. See how fast I can do this one, and then I'm going to hit lap, and then I'm going to grab. So I'm going to put these in the order I want. So if you guys look, it's going to be this one. It's going to be my 2x2s. And then it's going to be these 3x3s. And then it's going to be these 3x3s. These are my favorite 3x3s to do, besides this one. I like these because they move very, very, very well. Like, they are very, very well. So I can put these like this, and then these, they move good, but they're just a little tight. Tried my hardest to, put these into keep them in good condition, and have it that it's functioning right, but sometimes they don't function right. And there's something on my one Rubik's Cube. Excuse me 1 second. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So, I have my phone right here, my other phone. I got my other phone right here. And I'm going to turn this off. Go here. And I'll go right to my clock. And I have a stopwatch right there. So I'm going to say go, and I'm going to put my finger on here, which I'm going to show them go like this, and I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to start going. So there's going to be that. And let's see how fast I can do it. And then I'm going to explain some stuff that I do when it comes to my Rubik's Cube and stuff like that. Just so everybody knows, I do have a solve right here. This is the algorithm for it. This is all the algorithms for the 3x3 and the 2x2. Because the 2x2 is the same algorithm as 3x3, just taking some of the algorithms away. So, yeah. We're going to start with this one. So, let me open my phone. My phone didn't want to open. By the way, I'm on my actual phone. This is my old phone that I just use for a stopwatch and stuff like that. I'll keep it in my hand, and I'm going to hit go. So, yeah. This one's actually a little hard because they don't really go in the actual spot that you need. So it's a teensy weensy bit hard. I think that goes there. I've done this pretty fast, but it's just, yep, it was right. Okay, they don't like to work sometimes. That goes right there. This one's right here. Woo. Try to get it into alignment. Line this up. So I have the first layer done. Well, the first cross, I should say. So now let's get into the actual layer. Which this goes right here. Permanent. Could be wrong. Nope, but I was right. This one goes right here. Just so you know, I am in 1 minute and 25 seconds so far. Like I said, this one's actually my hardest one just because it's a shapeshifter and it's hard for me to hold it. I have a small hand, so it's really hard to hold. Yeah, you guys can see it. So I'm gonna turn this up a little, put this up here. Now let's do this. Not this that way. You might hear my dog bark, so don't mind that. She always barks. Especially when she wants to go out and I just bring her in. So, yeah. And she hits the table a lot, so don't mind that either. Princess, stop please. Thank you. Ooh, messed that up. Okay, so I have all that. Told you, these things are very hard to do. All they want to do is turn. One little movement that's wrong, and they just want to like turn everywhere. So and it's very annoying. So yeah, alright, let's put that there. To be honest, if I get this under 5 minutes, I will be stoked. But I don't think that's gonna happen because it keeps doing what it's doing. Sorry, but my dog trying to bark right now. All she wants to do is go out, and I'm not letting her. Princess, be quiet, please. And then we're trying to do something here. And I'm going to stop the clock, when I am done with this one, just because I want to show you guys how fast I did. And I'm just going to add on the time. Stop. Okay. I did it. Okay. 4 minutes and 57 seconds and 65 milliseconds. I did it under the 5-minute mark that I was going for. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I don't have a pen on me, do I? No pen? There's a pen. So the reason why I said is a pen. So I'm going to take my book right here. And I'm going to put M for my mirror cube. That's a mirror cube. Put my equal sign for 4 minutes and 57 seconds and 65 milliseconds. Alright, so I did that. And now with these, I'm gonna reset. I have that, how fast I did that. Now, with the next 2, 4, 6 cubes, I'm going to do how fast I can do all of them. This one, I was just going to show you how fast I can do it because I am slow at it. I do, get under the 5-minute mark like I just did. Pretty happy about that. I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty happy about that. But I think I can get through these pretty fast. So I'm gonna start with my 3x3, my 2x2, then my other 2x2, and then go to my 3x3 and my other 3x3s. So I'm just gonna pick it up, put down, pick up, put down, pick up, and I'm gonna hit the lap on here. So when I do it, I'm gonna do this, here and there. So yeah. Alright, go. Let's do this. Let's do this. So I'm gonna keep this in my hand. There. And go. Okay, I did that in 44 seconds. I was trying to hit lap, didn't hit me. So let's do that. This is very loose, so don't mind me if I mess up. I like this one loose. Oh, crud. Okay, now it's done. This is my slowest cube, sorry. This one is just a little tight. And it's not tight when it comes to the turners. It's tight when it comes to it's just sticky. And I've done everything I could think of to clean it. Took it all apart and everything. And that didn't work, so now I'm just trying to just deal with it in a way. So yeah, and it's hard sometimes to deal with it because my arm gets very tired, like it is now. With this 100%, and don't get me wrong, my arms are up here, so I'm getting tired no matter what, because I'm trying to show you guys in the camera. So no, I'm not gonna do this one. So now I'm gonna pop these on here, like so. And yes, I'm going pretty fast right now, and I don't like going fast. I don't like going fast. Wow. Can I talk? I don't really like going really fast because I mess up then. But I'm doing pretty good when it comes to paying attention of where I'm turning and what I'm turning and like how I'm turning things, and get a little faster here and there. So yeah, and of course, oops, I was supposed to like that. And of course, it's like these like really loose, and I like that about it. I like how loose it is because it just feels really good. It's like really, I know how to deal with it. So, and I like that I don't have to put too much pressure into that last one. So there's that. So yeah. And of course, it's more of how it feels before, you do everything. And I was so used to the one cube that I said is very tight. And then I got another cube, and that one was loose a little bit, so I got used to that one. And then my original cube got very tight because I wasn't really using it. And I think I was just used to the one cube because I was using that one so much. And then I wound up getting these for Christmas, which I love. Love these things. I love these. Got a few others too, but these are like my favorite because I know how to do them. I'm still learning some of my other ones. So there's that. And I'm about to get onto my time, so there we go. And stop. Okay, so with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, my first, alright, let's do this. My first cube, which was this, was 44 seconds. And, well, 44 seconds and 60 milliseconds. This one, next one was actually 22 seconds to do this one. Pretty impressed. So that comes to a total of two of them. I did it in 1 minute and 7 seconds. Shush, please. Princess. Be quiet. Stop. Lay down, please. So with the 2 cubes, like I said, 1 minute and 7 seconds and 38 seconds. Well, milliseconds, I mean. And then I went into this cube, which is my 3x3. And I did this cube in 1 minute and 49 seconds and 68 milliseconds, which comes to a total of 2 minutes and 57 seconds and 6 milliseconds. And then I went into this one. I did this one in 1 minute and 44 seconds and 36 milliseconds, which comes to a total of 4 minutes and 41 seconds and 42 milliseconds. And then I did this one, right? Yeah. And this one I did it in 1 minute and 35 seconds and 44 milliseconds, which comes to a total of 6 minutes and 17 seconds and 29 milliseconds. And then I did this one in 1 minute and 33 seconds and 15 milliseconds, which comes to a total of 7 minutes and 50 seconds and 45 milliseconds. And don't forget, I did this stuff over here, but I don't know how to calculate that, and that's, yeah, I'm not even going to try. Actually, I could. Should I? Why not? Right? Why not? So let's do that fast. Let's see how fast I did it with everything. So let's do So let's see. Alright, if I'm right, I hope I am. I guess I don't know how to do this. I did everything, including this, in 12 minutes and 48 seconds and 40 milliseconds. I think. Now, I might be wrong, because what I'm going to do right now. Let's see something fast. Alright, I'm so wrong. Let's try that again. This thing is like, you hear it? Oh, okay. That is my dog still. Please stop. Shush, please. Shh. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright, so I think I just messed up on one thing. Okay, I messed up on the milliseconds. But I still got 12 minutes and 48 seconds and 10 milliseconds. So yeah. I don't know. All I know is probably around 13 minutes altogether. Let's close this book a little. And go back to the beginning. So I want to explain to you guys that I never was able to do an Rubik's Cube at all. And I'm actually doing it for about 2 years now, I want to say. Maybe like 1-2 years. And I actually did it because of this right here. My solver. Like, I learned that within a year. And I love doing it. So, there's how to do the white cross, the white middle. Right? No. The white cross, well, the white cross is a little easy. But the white corners, and then, so, white corners, right middle, so the middle on the right hand side, and then you have the left hand side. And then you have how to do the yellow cross. The yellow corners, like the top of the yellow, not the corner, the top of it. Then you have the yellow corners, and then you have the yellow middle. So, alright guys, I hope you guys liked that video. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a lot of videos like these in the future. I hope I will. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. And don't forget to hit that bell. I'm going to be posting a few every week or every other week or every month. I don't know yet. I hope you guys, stick around. And if you guys are watching and you guys are not following me yet and you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. 2020 is my year for this. So peace.